So let me show you how to add timestamps to your photos on your Google Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Now, unfortunately, the default camera app does not allow you to put timestamps on photos and videos. Now, you have the metadata where you can check the information, but you cannot get the timestamp on the photo automatically unless you edit the photo. Now, since you don't want to do that, you can go to the Google Play Store and find the timestamp camera app. So this is a very interesting app called the timestamp camera app. Now this app has two versions. You have the timestamp camera, which is free, and then also you have the timestamp camera pro, which you can buy, and you have less ads and more features. Okay, now I'm gonna show you with the free version. Okay, so timestamp camera, there you go. Just go ahead and install that app. It's completely free. You're gonna see some ads, but it's free. So with the app installed, you can launch it, and of course you're gonna have to give permissions to take pictures and record video. So while using the app, then of course permission for location while using the app, give all those permissions. Now once you do that, from now on, whenever you're taking a photo, you will see the timestamp. So for instance, I can take a photo right now using that app, and of course it has ads at the bottom, but your photo has a timestamp. Okay, so you can see those photos there have timestamps. Now you can go, if you just go back to that camera app, if you tap on this icon, you can adjust a few settings. Now some of the settings will not allow you to adjust them unless you use the pro version. You can adjust the position, the font size, and font color. You can choose whether you want location or not. In fact, in the location category, you can actually change to just country or the actual precise location. So you can adjust all these settings, including the resolution of the videos and photos, and then tap OK. All right. So that is basically how to add timestamps to photos on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.